We've made it. Hopefully you enjoyed that intro montage that I put together. That was a little bit of fun making that. But yeah, we have made it to Singapore. I think it was like a 5.5, 6 hour flight. Very comfy and cruisy in business class, I can tell you that. And those in-flight meals were just chef's kiss, right? Yeah, so we're kind of still actually in Singapore airport at the moment. Like, we spent our time in a place called Yotel. It's a shoebox, and it does what it needs to do. It gets you a quick bit of shut-eye so you can move on. And that's exactly what's happening today. We've had a walk around the Singapore airport. This thing is massive. Like, it is huge. It's amazing. The indoor gardens and everything is absolutely unreal. Yeah, geez, I wish I had a green thumb, but I don't. So I actually admire that stuff, quite a lot. But yeah, the plan today is to check into our real hotel, where we're not stuck into that Yotel room was like, I don't know, it was 10 square meters, if that. It was bloody tiny. And now we're going to go check into our executive suite, so get a bit of luxury into us. After that, I think we're just going to go explore around. So come on this journey with us and have some fun, see the sights with me, and I'm going to share my experiences with you, and it's going to be cool.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know.
Have a look at this, eh? Not bad for a view. Just got the keys to our old executive room here. It's pretty swanky. Not too bad at all. I'll get some shots of it, but yeah, we're going to drop our bags and probably find a bar, I think. It's about that time we get hydrated. The weather's actually pretty good, despite having a bit of clouds around, but hydration's important, and so is food. So let's get into it, and let's see what mischief we can find.
The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone.
We're on our way to Gardens by the Bay, which is really cool, and so we got to see some really cool structures and gardens, of course, and a light show. But one of the most takeaway things, like the biggest thing that I've taken away from all of this so far, is the place is clean, and it just makes us feel like it makes me feel like I'm just a like we just live in a dirty country. Like there's no gum, there's no rubbish. Like it's just, yeah, okay, Singapore's strict on their rules, but everything is clean and everyone's respectful of each other. Like we just caught a train and an old lady comes on and without any hesitations, a younger bloke just gets up and lets us sit down, and there was no verbal communication, nothing, just bang, it happened. And we just don't get that back home. Like, why are we such shit people? It just blows my mind, but so far, it's just absolutely refreshing to see that there is some good people out there. Let's go and have a bloody look at these gardens and see what happens. So we're in the cloud forest right now. I'll put some pricing up and stuff later. Have a look at this. Have a look. Holy heck. And we're indoors. How weird is that? How cool. So we're gonna have a walk around, have a suss, see how everything is, but right now, geez, this is nice. This is really cool. Really, really cool. Sorry, I'm just taken away, like it's actually just really, I'm not a garden person, but far out. This is really, really cool.
Tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road is calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me.
Half the fun of like walking around these tourist things is like literally, and filming, is literally just trying to go around people that are also filming. The cool part about this place here is that everyone's like super respectful and everyone's here for the same reason. So there's no one really being a dick. So that's really, really cool. I like that.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Gardens by the Bay presents Garden Rhapsody. Watch the super trees come to life as we unveil a dazzling showcase of lights and musical trees.
This season on the dreaded chef, Flavours Uncharted.
The Dark Lord will knock the waters of power to the... I am Metatron! Security breach, level 2, lockdown!
in the hell was that? Okay. Ooh, it's good. Get that back there.